The ability to hear from writers from Wales, but also beyond Wales, has allowed me to contextualise myself, not only as a writer, but also the work that I'm producing and the scene that I'm trying to evolve into. It's allowed me to set benchmarks for myself, but also to see what are the issues arising from other writers and how do we tackle those together as a community. And it's really made me feel like I'm part of a wider experience of writers and literature across Wales and beyond.
You're hearing from agents, you're hearing from writers themselves, you're hearing from publishers and all these different departments that you don't necessarily come into contact with unless you're already there. So I feel like I've learned a lot more about the scene that I'm entering rather than just as well as who I am as a writer. So it's been fueling me in both aspects and preparing me for what a career might look like in this industry.
They've really let us see beyond the curtain and to really get an idea of what the literary scene is as a career, not just as an aspiration or a dream.
Mae'r rhaglen yma di really addysgu fi ynglyn â sut I creu gyrfa llwyddiannus allan o sgwennu yn hytrach na just dathlu a dysgu am y pethau creadigol sydd hefyd I bod yn really hwyl.
I do understand how the industry works better. I think I have a clearer picture of what people in the industry want from writers and how to pitch work to people in the industry so that they will consider the work.
Yeah, so after speaking to the agents, I know a little bit more about the way my writing will be received by them and how I can pitch it to them so that they will understand what I'm going for, rather than just trying to squeeze me writing into a pre-existing container.
It's a world that I've never been part of, and suddenly I can see it for the first time. It's almost like a hidden world that has come into existence for me. And I know that I'm only at the start of my journey, that there's a lot more that I do need to know about these things, but I'm looking forward to finding out.